I've got the charge pipes, blow off valves on each side, each turbo, and ran to the intercooler, both tied in. I'm waiting on some clamps. I didn't get all the clamps in the kit, but the guy's really working with me, and he's sending me a free boost gauge also, so I'm not mad at that. Started working on this piping up under here. I've got the mass air hooked up, but I need a coupler for that. I'm missing the right size here, as you can see, and it's not quite fitting all the way properly yet, so gotta figure that out. I think it'll fit properly once I finish deleting my EGR spacer right here. So, the picture that I found is 1/2 inch back from the rear bolt. Kitty! Kitty! Come here, kitty! Come here, kitty! Sorry, my cat's lost right now, so trying to get her to come back. I see her, but she's not coming, and she runs every time I try to get her. So 1/2 inch back from the first bolt, and 1 3/4 inches down. I'm just eyeballing this because I'm a machinist and I'm pretty good at it. That looks about it right there. I think that's where I'm gonna go for. 1/2 inch back. Maybe a little bit more down here. Yeah, hole started, and I'll maybe measure it. Alright, I'll be right back. This looks like. Well, not as good as I thought. I only came 1 inch down. But I'm good on the 1/2 inch back. So I need to come down, what does it say? 1 3/4. Oh, that'd make it easier on me. Hold that thing. Stay. Alright, that's the one. I'm gonna go ahead and go for it. Storage filled up, so I don't know when y'all got cut off, but as of right now I've got this in there, but can't get it back out. There we go. Move. Grab. Man. All they're good for is a hammer. Not a very good one. Should have got all this stuff out of my way first. I'm not having very much fun under here. I knew I was dreading this for a reason. It's gonna be fun. Get it out of my way. I had you way up there whenever I started. Yep. I'll start. Sorry. Hopefully that helps. I can't turn around and look. I'm in a bind. We're in there, guys. I should be cranking this car up tomorrow. I gotta go buy a boost gauge. I don't have one. Waiting on it to come in the mail. Well, I need to go to Harbor Freight and get that little cheap one they got just to try it out. That's probably the exact same one I'm getting in the mail. Actually, I got it off eBay. Alright. Yep. We're going good, guys. I was wondering how bad I messed up the inside, hammering it with that punch. But I know I hit something in there. I think that's far enough. Try it out. Beautiful. There we have it. We are ready for the fitting. Try to get what I can out of there. Yep. Don't want any metal in the oil pan if we can help it. After I button all this up, I've got new oil. Put some grease on my finger and stick it in there and grab whatever else is left. Oh, yep, y'all can still see. I don't care if I get cut up right now, just as long as there ain't no metal left. Oh yeah, I picked up a lot. But I left some grease right here too, which means there's gonna be metal in that grease. torque high heat gasket maker here. I don't know if y'all can see that or not because I don't know where my camera's actually pointing, but hopefully y'all can see it. And I'm just going to put some on my fitting here. That way we don't have any oil leaks. Trying to prevent that from the very start. I didn't even check to see if I tapped it enough yet. That's smart. Is this the right size fitting? I think so. Let's find out. I don't even know what size it is. Probably not that size. Nope. Crap. Sorry guys. It's this size. We're gonna go, or do I have to tap more? And I really could use a socket right now. Come on. You got no room for nothing. What size is that? It tells me on here. 11/16. Wait, is that right? That's half inch. Yeah, 11/16. I'll be right back. Watch it not be the right size. That's right. Does feel good. Man, I wish I had a lift. I'm doing my transmission next week. I ordered a Stage 1 transmission from Transmission Depot. It's supposed to have a few goodies in it. Be able to handle up to, I think it said either 600 or 650 horsepower. It's still an AOD. So I shouldn't be able to blow it up with this combination. Again, I have a stock bottom end still. I don't imagine I'm going to get more than 400 out of this motor before she goes. I want to say I have 114,000 miles on this car, on this motor. And decided to put money back into the car finally. It's been sitting since 2016. And I'll show you the registration tag on it. So I decided to just throw eBay twins on it. See what happens. Hopefully, I'll be starting it up tomorrow. I know it doesn't look like it right now because I still have a whole lot left to do. But plan on working until about midnight tonight. Same thing tomorrow, and then I gotta go back to work all week. Transmission's supposed to come in Tuesday or Wednesday. I plan on going ahead and throwing that in immediately as soon as I get it. Today I get it. And I have a track called Evadale Raceway. It's just about 20 minutes away. I plan on being there next Saturday to test the car out. And all I expect out of it is to maybe get like a low 13 or a high 12. I'm not expecting too much out of it. Heck, might not even get that. I've been working on this pipe thread for a minute. I've just been sitting here talking to y'all. I think I'm almost done. Yep, that's it. Let's see if I can get those out of your way so y'all can check it out. Got some silicone on there, but I'll wipe it off. Made it a little prettier at least, even though it's going to cover up the rubber hose. Alright. There we have it, guys. The dreaded job of tapping your oil pan is complete. For some reason, since I started this build, now I have a power steering leak. I didn't have one before. It's leaking here on the ground, so I don't know if that line just came loose, if I bumped into it, or if I just dripped on my finger trying to film. Yeah, so I'm gonna look into that tomorrow. Alright, I have the oil drain line complete, on this side anyway. My idea was to come from that side, kind of fish it through behind the water pump and everything, and then tee it right in here, and then just have one tap into the oil pan here. But after further ado, I don't think I can do that. So I'm gonna go to Ace Hardware in the morning and pick up another fitting and just tap the other side of the pan, I guess. I really didn't want to do it twice, but looks like I have to. What's up, guys? So went ahead and tapped the hole over here on the driver's side also, so that way whenever I go to Ace Hardware in the morning, I just screw right in with the thread cylinder or gasket maker, whatever, and get her done. So that's probably gonna do it for this video. Gotta go to Ace Hardware now, pick up that